In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix custom notification sound on Samsung Mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, custom notification sounds can be tricky because Samsung has tightened media storage permissions to prevent apps from accessing your private files without explicit authorization. So Samsung's system only looks for custom sounds in one specific folder. If your MP3 is in downloads, it won't appear in your settings. So what you want to do is open up your My Files application, which is pre-installed on your phone. So I'm going to go to that right now. Then go over to downloads or wherever your custom sound is. And then once you're here, all you got to do is long press on the file and then select move. So I'm going to long press on it on the bottom left. Go ahead and click move and then navigate back to internal storage. So I'm going to go back to internal storage right here and find the folder named notifications. So mine is right here. Now tap move here on the bottom and then that's it. It's now, I just press show in folder and it's now moved. And the sound will now automatically appear at the top of your custom list in the system settings. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.